Aerial patrolling through drone in MPPTCL. Madhya Pradesh Power Transmission Company Limited is a state-owned company providing transmission services in state of Madhya Pradesh. Incorporated in 2005, the company has expanded its assets multifold and presently handling 406 EHV substations, around 25,000 kilometers of transmission lines, having 86,000 towers. The transmission lines are spanned in entire state of Madhya Pradesh and passing through open field, dense urban area, dense forest, hilly terrain and undulated lands. Maintenance of EHV transmission lines poses major challenge to the company due to its vast area, difficult terrain conditions, depleting manpower trained for climbing on towers and ever-expanding network. MPPTCL, in its endeavor to provide quality transmission services in the state, has initiated a pilot project to overcome the challenges of transmission line maintenance. Aerial patrolling of transmission lines has been arranged through drone for obtaining basic inputs of transmission line maintenance. In the pilot project, 3 transmission lines of 400 kV, 220 kV and 132 kV class having route length of around 400 kilometers and 1300 towers has been selected and work was distributed to 2 companies. Pilot project reports has been received along with the analysis and rectification work for identified shortcomings is being arranged in a phased manner. During the pilot project, certain problems were also encountered. In one case, fire erupted in the field and a team was flying drones nearby. Villagers accused for fire on drone activity. Through police support, a team was rescued. In one case, team came face to face with wild boar in the forest and had to run along with flying drone. In one case, the drone itself came into close proximity of transmission line and was damaged. Facing all such challenges, our teams have successfully completed the pilot project. Based on the experience of pilot project, MPPTCL is going ahead with aerial patrolling of 220 kV transmission line through drone for 10,000 towers covering 2,844 kilometers of transmission lines spanned in entire state for identifying critical problems to act more precisely on maintenance activities. We have learned from the pilot project that drone patrolling is faster and safer in comparison to manual patrolling and output is available in digital form through which proper analysis can be done by engineers. Trained pilots are required to capture data due to limitations of EHV lines and required data clarity. We may collaborate with drone schools for trained pilots for transmission line patrolling by offering hands-on working experience. AI, that is artificial intelligence-based software, is required to identify the shortcomings of transmission lines for speedy reporting. We can assess the service provider to develop AI-based reporting. Way forward, we are conducting tripping top patrolling of transmission lines after every tripping to identify the defects. Also during breakdowns, patrolling is required as per relay indication and fault locator distances to identify the defects. In these cases, drone service provider can be of great help to identify the defect quickly. Availability of experienced drone service provider will provide the opportunity for hiring the services for tripping, breakdown patrolling. Accordingly, defects identification will be faster and rectification can be arranged quickly. In drone policy of state government, MPPTCL has been authorized to empanel drone service provider for various drone assisted works. We may place rate contracts for various activities which can be utilized in emergency. This will improve the availability of transmission lines and will also help to overcome the shortage of manpower. In a nutshell, this technology is in developing stage and we can customize it for our requirements through various pilot projects, interaction with field staff, drone service provider and subsequent utilization in the field. This technology will be an added advantage to our maintenance crew for carrying out effective maintenance activities.